to my channel. Today we will be practicing the song Heal Our Land. If you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, the like, and the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload new videos. So let's get started. Here is the chorus of the song. Now let's do it again, and this time you can play along with a -1. The song Heal Our Land by Jamie Rivera. I hope you have learned something from the presentation I have for you, and if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the like button, okay? Please do not forget to include the notification bell and choose the word all so that you will always be notified every time I have new videos. Thank you so much for your time. This is Jamel. Bye.